I'm Jean Johnson, and I work with the design team at Mountainwood Homes. We are at the very beginning stage of looking at their existing spaces that are going to be remodeled, taking a look at adjoining rooms and determining how to blend the new vision with the existing. And we work through several meetings of a collaborative sort to find the best combination with the investment level that they're comfortable with for their project. One of the most exciting phases of the design process is when we actually can show 3D renderings and tours through their new spaces so they can really visualize what the remodel will look like. And then of course going to showrooms to select their new countertops, appliances, plumbing fixtures is pretty exciting for most people. I've been in the design industry for over 30 years. Started out in graphic design in my schooling and worked in the art and picture framing industry for a while. Went into the custom home building business and worked in a design center along with the owners of Mountainwood Homes. And then in time I joined the company, and I've been with Mountainwood for 5 years now. I've lived in my own home for close to 30 years, have done some remodeling, of course, hard not to, in this business. Typical suburban home, and my style, my personal style, is kind of a classic tailored look, but comfortable, and allows me to highlight artwork, which is important to me. And my windows, in terms of a view, I am a gardener, and out of each of my windows I have a changing seasonal display that I enjoy, and I live with my husband, who I've been married to for over 35 years.